What's up, y'all? So today I want to share a little tip to make sure that all of your ads are looking good across all the placements that Meta provides. So when you go to add your video, um, you want to make sure that you have a couple different formats ready to go. The first one is going to be this horizontal placement, 9/16. And then you're going to want to have ones that are also formatted for 1:1, and then 16:9, which is this landscape format that you probably often see on placements like YouTube. So you're just going to come down here and you're going to click on replace. You're going to find the specific ad that's formatted and go ahead and add it there. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with this one also. So now it looks nice. Like we have our 9/16, we have our 1:1, and then we have our 16:9. And the benefit of that is you have all these different placements. This is another added benefit. Facebook has some optimizations that it recommends. You can go ahead and click yes on these. So there you go. You can kind of see how it's going to show up on these different placements. You can go ahead and click done. And then over here on the right, it's always a good idea to kind of go ahead and like click through these different placements so that you can see how your ads are showing up in the display feed. Especially if you're either working with clients or you're running your own brands, you want to make sure that your ads are looking nice, and that they're not cut off. For example, like you could have the captions in the wrong place, like this guy's head could be cut off. All of that could not be looking too good. So simple takeaway, you want to make sure that you have three different cuts. Today's pro tip on how to make sure your ads are in the right format. Thank you for listening.